These are the most common wires you will see in any home repair. Different colors and thicknesses mean different things. So let's go over each one so you'll know what's what next time you're facing a mess of wires. So let me peel one of these open so I can show you what's inside. This tool is called a cable ripper. And I'm going to slide it on the outside of this cable and pierce the cable jacket and then pull it out. That cuts it all the way down the center so you can splay it open. You can see there's insulation, and now you can see that there's 3 wires. You've got your hot, which is black, your neutral, which is white, and the bare copper wire is the grounding wire. So when you want to make an electrical connection, you're going to need to strip off the end of the insulation. That's what this is called, the insulation. This tool is a wire stripper, and it's actually pretty cool. It's labeled with the gauge, so if you're not sure what gauge you're working with, you can also use it as a measuring tool. So it looks like 12. I'm going to strip off the end. That's how you expose the bare copper wire on the end of your wire, and that's where you're going to make your electrical connection with the terminal. Over here, this is the 14 gauge. Again, we've got your black, hot, ground is the bare copper, and your white, which is your neutral. This is a 3-stranded. White, ground, hot. This red one, also hot. It's usually used as a switch leg. So this would run from the power source out to a light switch or something like that that switches on a fixture. And black wire like this almost always is connected to your heavy-duty appliances. Let's see, we've got some other colors here. If you ever come across green, that's always a ground wire. You probably won't see blue and yellow that often, but if you do, they're probably hot and they're probably also switch legs. One important thing to note is if you open up your walls or get into your conduit and you see white wire that's clearly been marked with tape, like it looks deliberate, that is the work of a former electrician trying to tell you that that wire is hot. So pay attention to those markings. That's pretty important. So that's the basics. Hopefully you'll feel pretty confident next time you get into your wires.